Let's take a look at the first morning move of the day on the German DAX. Managed to bank £409 in this first trade. We're going to walk through the entry and what made me get into the trade. Relatively straightforward entry and exit, guys, with the colour changes. £409 with £5 a point short on the German DAX, okay, in the spread betting account. All these profits are tax-free, remember, if you're trading in a spread betting account. So morning move on the German DAX, first trade of day, £409 profit. Let's walk through that actual trade and the setup here. Entry was at 19,161. Then I sold half the position at 19,081 and sold the other £2 at 1978. Okay, so well on track to making £1,000 today in these markets. So let's have a little look at the entry. So the first thing, the German DAX here, 1 hour time frame on the right, we'd already had a pro trend system red. Okay, so our system here had already turned red, and that confirmed. So we had then a 5-minute green PTS. So we were out of sync with the bigger time frame. So we had red on the 1 hour and green on the 5 minutes. So we need to wait for a red on the 5 minutes. Waited for the red here on the 5-minute time frame. That came in nicely. Got a decent entry on this one at 19,161. Pro Trend System entry was here at 19,156. So got a little bit of a better entry on this. And then it just flushed all the way down here. We got to our first profit target in 1998. Didn't bank profits because I could see it flushing through this area as well, with this nice wide range candlestick. Then we got down to the next generated profit target of 1974. I just managed to get out just above that area there. So, you know, nice trade. 1981, 1978 was the exits for the final position. So just a couple of learning points here. It's a straightforward setup with our trading systems, okay, for the morning move. I love going for those morning moves, getting done. I mean, we took the trade around 8:10. We were done by 8:40 as it flushed down very nicely indeed. So basically, I'm done for the day. I could be finished for the day. It's like I'm doing this just after the trade, which is 9 a.m. in the morning. You know, that's my day done. That's what the early morning move gives us. That early morning move in the German DAX is great because all those exchanges open in the morning, 8 a.m. London, that golden hour from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. is great. You can get that volatility move in the morning. Very nice indeed. And if you've got a system like ours, it works very nice indeed. But a couple of things I want to talk to you about here is that you see these several candlesticks here were quite small, medium I would say. And as it started to flush down, you saw the candlesticks getting much wider and longer. This candlestick got really long relative to the other candlesticks. This one here was a medium-sized one. When you start to see long, wide-range candlesticks, it means that the market's going to reverse, guys. It speeds up and you get those long candlesticks and the market reverses. You can see it a lot of the time. Look back at charts, you look at the top of the markets, you'll see often long candlesticks. Final people entering the trade, stops being here, excitement, and it moves fast as well. Especially you can see this when you're day trading the markets in particular, not so much if you're swing trading. But when you get those wide range candlesticks, get that stop tighter, trail that stop and lock in the profits, okay? Now, this is all that you need. Just this here, just this move here. We can see this yesterday was a very nice move on yesterday as well to the long side, and then we continue to drop for the rest of the day. But very much the bias is to the downside with this red pro trade system. And I think we can get some really nice moves for the rest of the week again on the German DAX and be done no later than 9 o'clock every morning. So hope it helps, guys. £409, and there's a couple of trades, others I'm doing as well. Aussie yen short, I think that's going to go on a big move as well. And the euro yen, I think those two pairs are looking for a really big move. But that's the morning move on the German DAX. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Give us a thumbs up as well, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye now.